In this tutorial, I'll guide you through editing a video in DaVinci Resolve specifically for Instagram Reels. We'll start from setting up the project to exporting the final video, all optimized for Reels. Begin by opening DaVinci Resolve and creating a new project. Go to the top menu, click File, then choose Project Settings. In the Master Settings section, set the timeline resolution to 1080 by 1920 pixels. This resolution works best for Instagram's vertical 9 by 16 format. Leave the frame rate as it is for now. We'll adjust that once we import the clips. Next, import your video clips by navigating to the folder where they're stored. Select the clips you want and drag them into DaVinci Resolve. If a pop-up appears saying that the frame rate of your video doesn't match the project, click Change. This will automatically match the timeline frame rate to your clips. If your footage was shot in landscape, like on a drone or DSLR, you'll see black bars around the video. To fix this, select the clip, then go to the Inspector panel on the right. Use the zoom slider to enlarge the video until it fills the frame. You can also adjust the position settings to choose which part of the video you want to show within the vertical frame. Once you're satisfied with your edits, go to the Deliver tab to set up the export. For format, choose YouTube as it provides good quality settings for online videos. Give your file a name and select a location to save it. Then set the resolution to custom and input 1080 by 1920 again. Finally, click Add to Render Queue and then Start Render. When the render is complete, your video is ready to upload to Instagram Reels, optimized for high quality and proper formatting.